I'm going to show you how you can easily use Fowl.ai. First, visit Fowl.ai and sign up for the account. Once logged in, obtain an API key from your account dashboard. This key will be used to authenticate your request to the Fowl.ai API. Install the Fowl.ai package using pip install fowl. Import the fowl package in your Python script. Import star as fowl from fowl.ai/serverless-client. Then, browse the model playgrounds to find a model you want to use. Note the model's URL from the API tab. Browse the model playgrounds to find a model you want to use. Note the model's URL from the API tab. Next, use the fowl subscribe method to call the chosen model API, passing in your prompt and other parameters. Process the API response to get your generated output, image, audio, etc. Incorporate the fowl API calls into your application logic to enable AI-powered features.